Alright, Michelle and I are back at yet another. Oh, you want me to get splashed? No, I'm not. Whoa! Wow. No, I'm good. That water does look dirty.
Yeah,
that's awesome though. That would definitely ruin my white shirt. Wow, that last one probably went about like 15, 20 feet high. So we're in Algoma, Wisconsin for another lighthouse tour, or walk, whatever you want to call it. Alright, now it's a little more. They turn the waves off.
Yeah, of course, but I turn off.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, hello there. Yeah, that does smell. Alright. Wow. Wild. Alright. So we have a long walk down there. Right, take your time. Or you'll end up with water in your shoes. Move. I'm ruined. Good thing I have a pair of socks in my trunk. I don't have another pair of shoes though. Oh, you got it too? My right foot is completely drenched underneath.
Both my feet are. You were like, move, but I'm like, I couldn't move because I was like, give me a break.
I'm right behind you here. That sucked. I see the path. I don't like the water in my shoe part. Even when we leave here, we have other places to go further away from where we're going, and my shoe's gonna be wet. I'm putting the air on my feet when we get out of here.
My socks are completely ruined.
Babe, I think I have another pair of socks in my car too, if you want it. They won't fit you.
Guys, socks.
Well, they won't fit you, but they're clean.
Okay, there. We're out from the...
Man, that sucked.
The lighthouse is on the other side of that way. Whoa!
Wait, how can we get to the lighthouse then? The pier ends.
Well, we're just going over here. I think the lighthouse is on the other side. But...
Are we even able to access the lighthouse?
I don't know.
I don't think so, because there's so many birds camped out over there. Way down there. I don't think you can actually... Well, oh yeah, there's people walking. So we're in the wrong spot.
I don't care. We can walk out this way.
And then we're going to go park and go walk the other way?
Yeah.
All right.
Some more water in our...
Yeah.
Ah, man.
This sucks.
My feet are so...
Told you it was on that end.
I told you that.
No, I did. I said, you want to go park over there? You said no. So let's walk. Let's go to the end of this pier. See how it is.